This is part 2 of building the cleanest KDX on all platforms. So the first thing we're going to be working on today is repacking or packing this muffler, we'll say, because if you can see, there's no packing in there. FMF 2-stroke packing.
Is that package two-sided? Is one protecting side, one flipping side? But you cover.
After about an hour of punching that lower steering stem bearing, got only that off, unfortunately. I think that I'm gonna have to end up cutting that to release some tension and pressure because it is really rusted and seized. I got that one out. I have that side in the middle. There's a half a clip instead of a full one, so whenever I put a socket or whatever I'm banging with, it just shifts crooked automatically. So that's a big pain. Got that one out, just need that one out. You can see it's really beat on. He's a stubborn one. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. My main jet is fucked. I have a new main jet on the way, and then we can throw this carb together. I got all the parts I cleaned up. Waiting for my front tire to come back. I sent it out to my buddy's dad. He's gonna do that for me. Yeah, yesterday I put that case saver on. I didn't get that on video. And I also got my front brake pads on. They're clean green beans. That's a wrap for part 2, guys. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that follow button and hit the like button, and go check out my YouTube channel for longer and more detailed videos. Peace out. Hope you guys enjoyed.